This synergy of nano CBD, 6 times more bioavailable, and GLA oils support the lipid barrier and safeguard against hair loss, inflammation, aging, and blemishes. You see, after the age of 30, and specifically after menopause, the skin loses the ability to efficiently repair itself. Gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, and endocannabinoid function through cannabinoids are major components of the skin's health, luminosity, and plumpness. We combine the most potent forms of GLAs in the world, matched with organic nano CBD, to assure deliverability and efficiency for inflammatory reduction and rebuilding abilities associated with lethargic skin. Without sufficient GLA, the skin becomes dry, rough, and wrinkles. And our potent and organic cannabidiol complex is 20 nanometers in size, allowing 6 times the effectiveness of other oils by safely crossing into our 50 nanometer sized pores.